Is your business still running on software built years or even decades ago? It may still work, but outdated systems often come with rising maintenance costs, security risks, and limited scalability. In this video, we'll explain legacy system modernization, why it matters in 2026, and the biggest reasons businesses are upgrading legacy systems today. Legacy system modernization is the process of upgrading or transforming outdated software so it can support modern business needs. Instead of relying on aging infrastructure, businesses adopt modern technologies, improve performance, strengthen security, and prepare their applications for cloud and AI-driven innovation. Modernization isn't always about replacing everything, it's about making existing systems future-ready. There are several reasons organizations choose to modernize legacy systems. First, maintenance costs continue to increase as older technologies become harder to support. Second, outdated applications often contain security vulnerabilities that expose businesses to cyber threats and compliance risks. Legacy systems can also reduce productivity because they respond slowly, rely on manual processes, and integrate poorly with modern applications. Most importantly, they make digital transformation much harder, limiting cloud adoption, automation, and AI integration. Modernization doesn't follow a single approach. Refactor existing code for better performance, replatform applications to modern infrastructure, re-architect systems using microservices, replace outdated software with modern solutions. The right strategy depends on business goals, technical debt, and long-term growth plans. Modernizing legacy systems helps businesses reduce IT maintenance costs, improve application security, increase scalability, enhance system performance, support cloud migration, prepare applications for AI-powered innovation. Legacy systems help businesses grow, but they shouldn't hold them back. In 2026, modernization isn't just an IT upgrade. It's a strategic investment in security, efficiency, scalability, and future business growth.